Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Jefferies Financial Group, a leading player in the investment banking and capital markets sector. Stay tuned as we break down their impressive third quarter 2024 earnings, discuss the highlights, and explore what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Jefferies Financial Group reported strong third quarter 2024 earnings with net revenues of $1.68 billion, driven by record performance in investment banking and solid results in capital markets. Net earnings attributable to common shareholders surged to $167 million, or 70 cents per diluted share. The company also declared a quarterly cash dividend of 35 cents per share and highlighted a robust outlook for the remainder of the year and into 2025.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $1.68 billion, up from $1.49 billion in the previous quarter and $1.18 billion in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP earnings per share (EPS) for the current quarter were 0.75 cents, compared to 22 cents in the same period last year. Non-GAAP EPS is not explicitly mentioned in the article.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Investment banking net revenues were $949 million, up 18.2% from the prior quarter and 47.3% from the same quarter last year. Capital markets net revenues were $671 million, down 3% from the prior quarter, but up 28.1% from the same quarter last year. Asset management net revenues were $75 million, significantly higher than the prior year quarter.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheet include total assets of $63.28 billion, cash and cash equivalents of $10.57 billion, and total shareholders' equity of $10.05 billion.
Were there any changes in cash dividends or stock splits announced in the current quarter?
The Jefferies Board of Directors declared a quarterly cash dividend of 35 cents per common share, payable on November 27, 2024, to record holders on November 18, 2024.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Jefferies closed the sale of OpNet, the last in a series of transactions to monetize a substantial portion of its legacy merchant banking assets. This move accelerates their efforts to build a pure-play global investment banking and capital markets firm.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company did not provide specific revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year in the article.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Jefferies Financial Group demonstrated a strong overall performance with significant revenue growth, particularly in investment banking and capital markets. The company also showed a profit surge and declared a quarterly cash dividend, indicating robust financial health and a positive outlook for the future.
That's all for today's analysis of Jefferies Financial Group's impressive third quarter 2024 earnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Jefferies is a strong investment opportunity right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.